Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to SFH Garage. Sorry, I haven't posted in a little while. Got a lot going on. My wife's having a baby soon, so just taking care of a lot of stuff like that. But I got some free time tonight, so we're gonna tackle the firewall. And then the client told me that the inner panels from Scott's Rod were shipped out yesterday. So looking forward to those so we can get this project wrapped up, at least underneath the hood, and get this car running. So thank you, and enjoy the video. All right, what's up everybody? So she's done for the most part. I still got to do some stuff around the brakes over here, but chemical stripping. So told you guys I would tell you at the end of the second video what the product is. I ended up with this product for a house project, and it didn't work as quite as I thought it would. So I kept it, and here it is. It's called Cooper's Strip Club. All right. Paint and varnish stripper. Stuff is amazing, a little expensive. Again, I bought it for a house project and it just didn't work as good. But this whole project total, I'd say maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I used a wire brush, Scotch-Brite pad, and it all came with the kit anyway, so I didn't have to go out and buy any of it. And you know, without having to do a lot of work, it was fairly easy. And it looks good, and it's all down to bare metal. So again, please like, subscribe. I'm trying to get out more videos. We still got this girl waiting on some work for her. And then there's a possible project coming in, Jeep Wrangler, that a relative of my wife's is looking to do a 392. So a Hemi swap in a JK. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and I'll get another video as soon as I can. Thank you.